Get access to Grok Imagine, Grok Video Generator, Sedient 2.0 for free using this platform. To access this free platform, watch this video to the end. Let's get started.
So you are going to go straight to your Chrome browser. Yes, you are going to go straight to your Chrome browser and then search for this particular website that I'm about to show you right here. Now, this is the website. Take note of it. Gigapixel AI. Gigapixel AI. Now, when you have entered into this platform, you can just sign up for free. You have to sign up. You are going to get 6 credits every single day. 6 credits every single day when you sign up. It's just like getting your daily check-in. So you are going to go to that site and you are going to see every feature that this app has. It has AI image text, it has AI video too, it has AI image. You can literally do everything on this app. You can change an old photo to a new photo. You can remove background of a photo. You can do a whole lot of things. You can edit AI images here. So what you are going to do right now is very, very easy to be able to access all this platform. Just make sure that you are conversant with this interface before you start. Look at what the interface is all about. Look at everything that it offers. You can see it's changing background image. It's changing a whole lot of things, and you can get 6 credits every day, every single day. Now you are going to go to image and click on image so you are going to see this interface right here. You can see image generator, AI video upscaler, like you want to upscale your video, image upscaler, AI image upscaler, image style incoming, so many things, blurring your background is there, and there are so many other features that are still coming up that they have not yet unlocked. Even for the video tools, you can see AI video remover and all that. So now you are going to go back and then click on this image upscaler. But if I don't want to upscale any image, so you are going to go to AI video, AI image. I'm going to go to AI image. Now let me zoom in so you can see it. Now I'm going to go to AI image generator because you want to generate image. So once you generate image, you are going to see text to prompt, image to prompt. Like you are going to put in image and then put in your prompt. So it's going to reference in image. So you can see these models here. So you just click on you click on that choose models. So you click on it and then that model right there, you click on it and it's going to bring out all the models. You are going to see Grok at the ending. Yes, Grok is there. Grok Imagine. You can see I've already clicked on it. You can see there are other platform is there. Nano Banana, Sedan, Sora is there. You can also change the aspect ratio to whatever you want, and then you see you can generate for just 4 credits and you have 6 credits, so you can generate one image. But I don't want you to waste your image for generating image for this. Just go and generate your image for free in other platform. Come here and then generate just video, because you have just 6 credits and the credits will be building up every single day when you check in. So you can still wait for like 10 days. That's the cheat code. You can wait for 10 days, 15 days. When the credit has built up, you can now use the other image Grok image generator that will show you as we are going. So now you can see that for video is showing just 4: Nano Banana and GPT, Mid Journey. That's for image to prompt. It's showing just 4. So for image to 4, it's still 4 credits also. Still 4 credits also. So you generate for image to prompt. So it's very, very easy. So now we are going to go to AI video generator. So you can insert your image right there and then put in your prompt. It's very easy to do. The way you usually do it in other platform, that's how you do it here. So now we are going to scroll right out of here and then go to image AI video generator. Now let me zoom in. Now I am writing AI video generator. I want to generate video. It's still going to show text to video, or you insert your image and then generate a video using this platform. So I just try to refresh so it can guide me. Now I have clicked AI video generator. So it's going to still bring in the same thing, but you are going to click on the models. The models are going to be very different. Now, let's see the models. I'm trying to search for AI video generator, and then you click on the models right here. So you are going to paste your prompt. If it's text to video, you paste your prompt in the prompt section. If it's image, you paste your image to, then you put your prompt, and then you generate your video. You can see all the, let me zoom in. You can see it has Grok Imagine for some credits, for 26 credits or so, 23 credits, video 3.1. So if you are going to use this, you know that you have to, even Sora too, it has. You see the Grok Imagine there. So if you select Grok Imagine and you build up your credit score, like what I've said before, you can be able to generate your video and then use the Grok Imagine. You can see it's 20 credits. So if you are build up your credits every day and you left it, you build up your credits, you can be able to get access to the video. So that is how I was able to, that's how you can able to create your image and your video using these free credits. So it's very easy. If you have found this video helpful, share it to other creators that are looking for free to be able to generate their images and videos. And I'll be posting more content like this. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Remember that AI video generation is very easy to use if you keep practicing and practicing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.